like and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for more videos. Welcome to Metro Properties. Today let's see a 3 BHK flat located in Banjara Hills. This building is 20 years old, but the flat is newly constructed. This is 3400 SFT and the carpet area is 2600. Let's have a look at the flat now. That's the living room. It looks very spacious and the ventilation is fantastic. That's the view of the living room. That's a very spacious, bigger hall. And that's the master bedroom. We'll have a look at it very soon. And this is where the open area is. If you look at the balcony, the open area, that's the park view, the greenery. That's a GHMC land which is been under possession of GHMC. So that greenery will always exist. This is the exterior view from outside. If you see the open area, it's almost 650 SFT. Like such a massive 1 BHK flat can be constructed. So let's get into deeper. Let's have a look at the powder room first. This is majorly for your guests, visitors whom you don't want to use your personal bathrooms. So that's the view again, very beautiful. Let's have a look at the master bedroom now. It's pretty much ventilated and it have access from the living room as well as from the outside. So this is the toilet. It's in very brand new condition, and that's the view from the window. You can see a lot of open space around the flat. That's a view of the living room. Let's see the puja room first. This flat comes with one puja room. Dedicated space has been allocated so that you don't need to build it up again. So that's the space for your puja room. So let's go towards the dining area and the kitchen. So that's a very spacious dining area, and that's the kitchen. The kitchen, it's very spacious. We can see a lot of power points have been given so that there'll be no issues for your power supplies, and provision has been given for microwave. That's a view from the balcony. This is the utility area and washing machine area where you can dry your clothes, and that's a balcony view. And let's have a look at the second bedroom. Even if you look at all the bedrooms, the provision has been given for your ACs. The copper wiring has been given where you can directly get your ACs fixed. So that's the copper wiring. So we have a total of 6 copper wirings have been run through the entire flat, so that you don't have any issues while fixing the AC. Straight away you can have your indoor unit here and the outdoor unit outside the flat. So that's the dressing area and your cupboards, storage, you can get it done, the interiors, so that you have your private space. And that's the toilet attached. That's an attached. So totally we have 3 attached toilets and a powder room, totaling to 4. Let's get out of this room and let's go towards the third bedroom. That's a provision which has been given for your storeroom, and a inverter point also has been given where you can get your cupboards done so that everything will not be visible. That's the third bedroom, and you can see the entire flat is literally ventilated. There's a lot of air and ventilation, and this is an attached toilet. It's never used, it's in brand new condition, and this room has got an advantage. It comes with a study room as well, which you can see towards the corner of the room. This is the one which has got very beautiful view from the window. You can use it as a study room or your personal room or Probably someone who's working from home, they can use it with no disturbance. So that's a view from the balcony. A lot of greenery, lush greenery around. This is the entire flat, how it looks like. Just to sum up the things, this is a 3 BHK north facing flat. The entire built up area is 2600, including the open space. It's 3400 SFT. It comes with 2 car parkings and 105 square yards is the undivided share. So the flat is in entirely beautiful condition. All fixtures has been done, like the cabling, the networking cables, AC, copper wires, the electrical, the toilets, fixings, everything has been done. And it's in really beautiful condition, and the owner is quoting a price of 2 crores 38 lakhs. If you like this property, please get in touch on 6303 636060, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number. Thanks for watching.